Hello, how are you? Today I am here with an entertaining video. We are going to replace this vanity cabinet. You can see that it is in bad condition. I think we are going to have to repair the back wall too, because it doesn't look good. I'm going to start by disconnecting the plumbing. For that I need to cut off the water supply first. Now we are going to mark the area to be demolished with a clean cut with a multi-tool, so that only the desired areas are detached. Very carefully, I am going to start removing the loose parts off, always clearing the area to work. Do not pile up debris around you, so that it does not interfere with the entire work. I pick up trash so it doesn't bother me, and I sweep with a broom. I have to replace leaky faucets quickly to prevent further water damage. As the years go by, bathroom pipes accumulate material that narrows the diameter of the water pipes, resulting in a gradual but noticeable decrease in water pressure. I apply this product to eliminate the presence of current mold and prevent it from appearing in the future. I measure to know the measurements of the drywall to cut, although I will skip that process so as not to make the video so long. Here I already have the wall done. I'm going to close the holes that were left around the tubes to prevent the entry of insects and bad smells. I'm going to put the cabinet in its position. Although I do not put the process here, the cabinet has to be very strong against the wall screwed. I install all the necessary hardware with the vanity uninstalled, so that the process is faster and more comfortable. There are numerous benefits to replacing plumbing fixtures with new models. Whether you're doing a major kitchen or bathroom renovation, or replacing a broken fixture. Older fixtures use more water, causing your water bill to be higher. Energy-efficient fixtures reduce your monthly water bill, as upgraded shower heads, faucets, toilets, and water heaters are designed to consume much less water than previous models. After installing the vanity, I installed the hoses to the faucets. The vanity floor does not fit through this hinge. How do you see it? After having almost everything ready, I realized that I had to move the mirror to the left. Hopefully, I used the same mirror. I was able to take it apart without breaking it. At this point, just a few cosmetic touches are missing. Wow! Even I am surprised. What do you think of this work? I read them in the comments.